Welcome back, my dear students. In the previous video we have done the brief summary, or you can say brief introduction of the chapter The Thief's Story, which is written by Ruskin Bond, and I have told you about the main characters, about the plot, about the story in brief. Now we will go ahead with the detailed explanation of the chapter. Well, you already know that Ruskin Bond is the author of this chapter, or you can say the writer of this chapter. Now we'll go ahead with the chapter, The Thief's Story. I hope that you all have your book open with you and you all will pay attention. The Thief's Story. A young boy makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? So there is a young boy who makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him, means gives him work. Does the boy betray his trust? The question here is being asked is that does the boy betray? Betray means to deceive, धोखा देना. क्या वो लड़का उसे धोखा देता है? Does the boy betray his trust? क्या उसका trust तोड़ता है? Well, before we go ahead with the explanation of the chapter, there are 3 read and find out questions which we read first. Who does I refer in this story? What is he a fairly successful hand at? What does he get from Anil in return for his work? So this is read and find out question. We will read and then we will answer these 3 questions. So students, the chapter starts now. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So my dear students, I was means I here is narrator or the thief who is saying that I was still a thief. मैं उस वक्त भी, he at that point of time when he met Anil, he was a thief, still a thief. वो चोरी था. Anil though only 15 and though only 15. Though here means he's saying though I was only 15, हालांकि मैं सिर्फ 15 साल का था. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Fairly successful hand, my dear student, it means to be the master of any particular action. So he used to rob people, he was a thief, so he was expert in that. Fairly successful hand means when you are expert in something. So Anil was watching a wrestling match. When I approached him, he was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So when I here means narrator or the thief, when he met Anil, at that point of time he was watching a wrestling match, and when he approached him, he found him that he was around 25, about 25, and he was tall, lean fellow, and he thought that he is a easy-going person, kind-hearted and simple enough for my purpose. For what purpose? To make him fool and get him the work, then rob him. So he thought that Anil is an easy target for him. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. And he's saying that for the past few days or 2-3 months, he did not have a good luck. So he thought that he might win the confidence of Anil and he will get the work. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends, because he used to believe that flattery helps to in making friends, helps to win the confidence of the people. So he flattered him by saying that you yourself, you look a bit of wrestler yourself. तुम खुद भी एक थोड़े बहुत wrestler पहलवान दिखते हो. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. When he complimented or flattered Anil by saying that you look a bit of wrestler yourself, so Anil replied him the same, that so do you. And that reply put him off for a moment, because at that point of time the thief और हरी सिंह was thin, वो पतला था. तो when he heard the same compliment that when he said that you look like a wrestler yourself, so Anil also replied that do you. So he was put off for a moment. He thought that for a moment only, he thought that it won't be easy to get job or get work with this man. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. So my dear student, modestly meaning is given. It is without boasting, in a humble way, very politely humble way. He replied that, well, I do wrestle a bit. So Hari Singh said, oh, I also wrestle a bit. थोड़ी बहुत wrestling मैं भी करता हूँ. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. Anil asked his name and he again lied that my name is Hari Singh. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. So when Anil asked his name, he said my name is Hari Singh, and he obviously that was a false name, because he gives the reason also that every month he took a new name just because to keep ahead with the police and his former means ex-employees, previous employees. After this introduction, they had a formal introduction. Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I did not have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. After their formal introduction, Anil was talking about the wrestler, how they are grunting, and those who were grunting. Grunting here means, to make a short, low sound in the throat in anger when you are not happy, like this the wrestlers do. And he was talking about all these things. Obviously Hari Singh did not have much to say, so after the match Anil walked away and he started following him. Casually he started following him. Hello again, he said. He again said hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I cannot pay you. So I here is, now I hope that you have understood that I here is thief, whose false name is Hari Singh. So Hari Singh again gave him the most appealing smile, means most attractive smile. Hello again, like this, most attractive or appealing smile. I want to work for, and he said that I want to work for you, but then Anil said I cannot pay you. I thought that over for a minute, उस चीज़ के ऊपर उसने 1 मिनट तक सोचा. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? So he thought for a moment or for a minute that maybe I have targeted a wrong person, or I have misjudged my man. मैंने गलत आदमी को चुन लिया है. I asked, can you feed me? So he asked that, can you feed me means क्या तुम मुझे खिला सकते हो, खाना दे सकते हो. Can you cook? He asked. Anil asked that, can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. So he asked that, can you cook? He lied again that, yes, I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Anil said that if you can cook, then I maybe feed you. अगर तुम खाना बना सकते हो तो मैं तुम्हें खिला भी सकता हूँ. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me his room was over the Jumna sweet shop, and he also told Hari Singh I could sleep on the balcony, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. So when Anil asked that, can you cook? He said yes. He lied that I can cook. So Anil said, okay, come with me, and his room was over Jamna sweet shop, and he said that you can sleep. He said to Hari Singh that you can sleep on the balcony. And the same night when he cooked the food, the meal was so terrible, and Hari Singh knew because he saw Anil to give it to a stray dog. Stray dog means the dog which doesn't have a home, means जो आवारा कुत्ते होते हैं जिनका कोई घर नहीं होता, जो pet dogs नहीं होते हैं, we call them stray dogs, गली मोहल्ले के कुत्ते. And he told him and told me to be off, कि भाई तुम जाओ. But I just hang around. I just hung around means वो वहीं पर टिका रहा, उसके आसपास घूमता रहा, and smiling in my most appealing way. So when Anil threw the terrible food made by Hari Singh and gave it to the stray dog and said that to be off means tum jao because the food is not good, but he hung around there around Anil, and he was smiling in his most appealing way like this. and he couldn't help laughing, or Anil couldn't help laughing by seeing that Hari Singh is doing all these things. Later he patted me on the head. So patted means when you do like this on somebody's head, so patted, or on back, on shoulder, wherever, and said never mind. उसने कहा चलो कोई बात नहीं. He would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. So Anil came to know that he does not know how to cook, and just because he was hanging around Anil and passing his most appealing smile in his most appealing way, so he said okay, never mind. He patted on his head and said never mind, I will teach you how to cook. And he taught him how to write his name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. उसने बोला कि मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगा, लिखाऊंगा, नंबर भी सिखाऊंगा. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So Hari Singh thought that, he thought that if I would be an educated man, if I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Then he thought that if he is ready to teach me to make the whole sentences and add numbers, if I could do that, if I would become an educated man, so there would be no limit what could I achieve in this profession, in the profession of robbery, profession of stealing. He was a thief by profession. So he started thinking that, oh, I can do wonders if I will become an educated man. मैं बड़ी से बड़ी चोरियां कर सकता हूँ. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So it was quite pleasant working for Anil. He started working for Anil. Anil started teaching him, and he used to make tea in the morning, and then he would, and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. He used to go and to buy the day's supplies, whatever they need to cook, to whatever the daily supplies. He used to go there. He used to make the tea in the morning, the first thing for Anil, and then he used to take his time to go and buy the daily supplies, and he used to make a profit of ₹1. And he knew that Anil knows this thing, but he never mind. He never said anything to him. उसको पता था कि ₹1 वो बचा लेता है हरी सिंह डेली, बट अनिल नेवर सेड एनीथिंग टू हिम. उससे कभी कुछ कहा नहीं. Anil made money by fits and starts. So my dear students, fits and starts means when irregular or not consistent. When you earn money but not on a consistency, or not on a consistent base, or irregular. Sometimes he used to get money, then after it's not like the regular source of income. When you earn and then you sit for a while, 2-3 months or 6 months, then again you earn for 2-3 months, then you again sit for, means it's not regular income. He would borrow 1 week, they have explained it, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. So Anil, now Hari Singh is describing that Anil made money by fits and starts, means he was not on a job where he would get salary each and every month. So he would borrow एक हफ्ते के लिए, he would borrow 1 week, for 1 week he would borrow, lend the next, means 1 week you will see him borrowing the money from someone, and next week you would see him that he is giving money someone as a debt, किसी को उधार दे रहा है वो. He kept worrying about his check, but as soon as he will get the check, he would go out and celebrate with his friends. It seems he wrote for magazines. Then he realized that he wrote for magazine. He is a writer, a queer way to make a living. So he found that writing for magazines and getting money is a queer. Queer means strange, ajeeb sa. So Hari Singh found Anil's way of earning the money is a queer way to make a living. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So one evening what happened, he saw that he came with a small bundle of notes. Anil came saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. उसने एक publisher को book बेच दी है. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So at that night, same night, he tuck means to if I have this book, I tuck this book under my arm, so this is called tucking. अगर मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ, I keep this book like this, so it is tucking. So Anil, what did Anil do with the money? And Hari Singh saw that at night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So he saw him tucking the money or keeping the money under the mattress. उसके नीचे दबा के रख रहा है वो. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. So it's been a month he had been working for Anil, and he himself is saying here that apart from cheating in all buying on the shopping, whatever shopping he used to do for the daily supplies, in that he was cheating Anil 1 rupees daily. But other than that, he had not done anything in my line of work. So I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So Hari Singh is saying that it had been 1 month that he was working for Anil, and now he decided, when he saw that Anil brought a bundle of notes, and he also saw that he tucked that bundle of notes under the mattress, so he decided that I have been only cheating Anil by keeping 1 rupees daily. Other than that, I had not done anything big in my line of work. So now he had the reason also. Why? Because Anil gave him the key of the door, so he can come and he key to the door, so he could come and go as I please. जब भी उसकी मर्जी हो आए और जाए. So he himself is saying that Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met. So कब सबसे भरोसेमंद इंसान जो उसके ऊपर इतना भरोसा करता हो. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Hari Singh is saying that this was the reason, because he was the most trusting person he had ever met. He was the first person who had complete trust on Hari Singh. So that is the reason it was difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Further he says that it is easy to rob a greedy means lalchi, because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Careless means laparwa man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Hari Singh is mentioning that because he was the most trusting person he had ever met, and that makes it difficult for Hari Singh to rob Anil, because he was a careless man. And Hari Singh says that it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford. Okay, I have been robbed, fine. But it is difficult to rob a careless person because sometimes he would not come to know that he has been robbed, and that takes all the fun. You are robbing someone and that person doesn't even bother about it and doesn't even come to know about it that he has been robbed. So the pleasure, the fun, pleasure out of the work. All the pleasure you are robbing thief and the fun which is involved in that thing, it goes away. So he says the same thing. Well, it's time I did some real work. Well, so now Hari Singh saying, okay, fine, whatever the reason, it's the time I did some real work. मुझे कुछ काम करना ही पड़ेगा. I told myself I am out of practice. So he told himself that you are out of practice. It's been a month. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it. And he also gave another reason. He gave 2 reasons to himself to rob Anil. The first reason that it's been he told himself that it's been a month and you are out of practice. Second, that if I will leave him also, he would go and waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. And he doesn't even pay him also. So students, we will read here up to here. Now we will read and find out the first part. Who does I refer to in this story? So now you all know that I is Hari Singh, the narrator, the thief. What is he? A fairly successful hand at. I have told you the meaning of success, fairly successful hand, to be the master of any particular action. He was a thief, so he was the master, in robbing people, making them fool, and stealing money from them. He was a perfect, or he was an expert thief. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? Very easy. It is written here that Anil said that if you can cook, I will. What does he get? He means Hari Singh get from Anil in return for his work. काम के बदले में उसको हरी सिंह से क्या मिलेगा? What does he get from Anil in return for his work? What does he get? Tell me. He get a place to live. Anil would teach him. Anil would tell him how to add numbers, how to write. Anil taught him how to write his complete name. Anil will also teach him about the letters and write. Anil would teach him to make complete sentences. Plus, from the daily basis, he was cheating Anil by keeping 1 rupees daily when he used to go for shopping for the daily basis. So a place to live also. So he gets. So these were the answers of this question, my dear students, and I hope that I think that it is enough for today. We will meet tomorrow again, and then we will continue with this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.